Well, good morning. I am up about to make my face scrub. So in this container, I have regular white sugar. I have lemon juice. I have turmeric. You don't do a lot because it'll mess up your sink. Turn it, to stain it. Turmeric, powdered turmeric. Cinnamon. And then honey. So I'm going to tell you what all of these ingredients do for the skin. I got to put some lavender oil and vitamin E. A touch of lavender. Okay. So lavender deal with inflammation, bacteria, and it also helps with anxiety, helps to calm you down, the lavender. The honey acts as an anti-aging and tighten the skin and give you that young, youthful looking. The sugar is used as an exfoliator. The lemon juice is used as a natural lightener. And the cinnamon is also used for bacteria. It removes acne, pimples, and is a very good ingredient to put in your acne treatment. So then I just stirred it up. And then you make it as thick as you want. The only thing I had to do is get the vitamin E oil on the other side because that's going to act as a moisturizer. And this is my favorite of all time face mask. I mean, my skin was 10 times worse. And I was running to dermatologists and getting all this stuff where it made my skin 10 times worse. Like, oh my goodness, no. I was like, really just like, no, no, no. Put some more honey in it. And then the thickness or the consistency that you like, that's what you'll do. You do the thickness or consistency of how you like it. I don't really like mine's really, really runny. So I like it kind of like maybe like a paste. And these would be great gifts, too, for family members for Christmas. And family members with bad skin problem. Get these jars. Get empty jars off of Amazon. Get some ribbon from the dollar store. And give them a card with a care plan. Meaning how to create, create this and how to use it. So I get up in the morning. And I use it. I have my coffee. I'm a money magnet. Listen to my manifestation stuff, so I'm gonna start using it now. So if you see, I got a pimple right here, and with this, it will bring that pimple down. So when y'all see me sometime and I be having things on my face, I use the kaolin clay as well because it helps reduce blackheads. And it gives you that tightener. So every now and again, I will still use that kaolin clay. I use an antibacterial soap on my face. Can use it on your lips too. It's all natural ingredients. Just remember that cinnamon is a natural lip plumper. So if you wonder why you take this off and your lips is look like they're a little swollen. You're like, oh, so with that bump that's on my head, one thing about this formula, it's gonna bring that pimple down. So that pimple was nice and up there, as you see when I'm exfoliating it. That cinnamon, that lavender, that turmeric, is bringing all that down. So Once I get that done, once I get everything on, I'm literally gonna let it sit. And then when I get in the shower, I remove it. That cinnamon is also great for dark circles too. So I'm just gonna let it sit. And also that lavender that I smell, it's like, oh, it's giving me a nice cool sensation. So if there's anybody that have those skin problems like I do, and you've been going to all the dermatologists and all the different people, and you have been trying and trying and trying to get your face under control, this natural remedy works wonders. But it's gonna, that bump I should have showed y'all earlier was much bigger than that, and it brings it down. So this is the best skin treatment ever. And if I have time, I get up and use it daily. When I don't have the time, I don't. But you guys have an awesome day and try this face scrub. You will love it. Bye-bye.